guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can earn free LITECOIN directly to your faucetpay account, and when you reach the minimum I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw to your trustwallet account without any investment. So guys, all you need to do is to watch this video till the end. I'm going to be knowing how to do this step by step. So guys, the link to this site is going to be left in the description box below, and when you tap on the link you're going to be seeing over here sign up and sign in. So guys, all you need to do is to sign up first of all, and after your sign up you log in and you're going to be logging into your account, and you're going to be directed to your dashboard immediately. So guys, as you can see over here, this is my dashboard, and as you can see my balance over here, this is my remaining balance, and I've been using this site for a couple of times now and it is really paying. So guys, for the referral, when you refer you're going to be getting 20% of your referral earning. So guys, to earn, all you need to do is to tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Now when you tap on it, you're going to be seeing various ways on how you can earn on this site. As you can see over here, you can earn by either faucetpay, auto faucet, offer work, quiz, PTC soft, window PTC, and short link. So guys, this is how you can do this to earn, and let's take this for an example to see how it works. And when you tap on the faucet link, you're going to be redirected to where you're going to be claiming your faucet. So guys, as you can see over here, this is the reward in which you are going to be earning. We're going to be earning over we're going to be earning 1.5 million coins. So that is, this is unlimited. Our earning on this faucet is unlimited. So all you need to do is to come over here, click on the Artbot link in the following order, then verify that you are not a robot, and after that is done, you are going to be scrolling down to collect your reward. So guys, when you collect your reward is going to be added to your balance immediately, and as you can see over here, 1.5 million coins has been added to my balance. So guys, to withdraw on this site, all you need to do, when you tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen, you're going to be seeing this over here. All you need to do is to tap on withdraw. Now when you click on withdraw, you're going to be seeing how you're going to withdraw your earnings. So guys, first of all, you're going to be inputting your faucetpay email address over here, then the amount in which you have in your balance is going to be showing over here. Then you can put the amount in which you would like to withdraw. Then you're going to come over here. As you can see, you can withdraw in any crypto of your choice, but for the purpose of this video it's for LITECOIN. So all you need to do, as you can see over here, when this is over here is up to 100%, which means the faucet is full and you can withdraw. As you can see over here, 100%. So guys, which means you can withdraw from it. So all you need to do is to tap on it, tap on LITECOIN, then scroll down and click on withdraw, and your earnings are going to be sent directly to your wallet. So guys, this is how you can earn, and also you can also refer your friends and loved ones by going to your dashboard, then copying your referral link and sharing to your friends and loved ones, so they too can also earn. Now when you are on your dashboard, as you can see over here, all you need to do is to copy your referral link over here. Now when you copy your referral link, you can share it to your friends and loved ones, so they too can also earn, and you earn some commission from them. So guys, this is how you can earn, and if you like what we'll be doing on this channel by uploading nice videos to you all, so you can also earn, please make sure to like this video, turn on your notification bell, and subscribe to this channel so you too will be notified whenever we upload any interesting video on how you can make money on this channel. Thanks for watching, and see you on my next video.